Greetings, consensus peoples of the world and lovers of freedom all over the world. I want to keep the record straight over what is currently going on in the land of Biafra. And like I promised Biafrans that I will be updating them in everything that the Nigerian securities are doing in the land of Biafra. And before I will proceed into this breakdown of information, I want to give to honor to whom honor is due in the person of Chief of Armed Forces of Biafra land, in the person of General Igwe Potoso Mpamonsa. And I want to also appreciate the good efforts, his good efforts, who always give me the privilege, the opportunity to enlighten Biafrans, informing Biafrans over the security situations in the person of Major General Gento de Yahoo, the Igwe Obatobie, Baburuburu Nala Okigwe. Biafrans, I want to keep the record straight for you to understand what is currently going on in the land of Biafra, as the information reaching to me from Okigwe is that the members of Ebube Ago in R&D Zog have commenced their kidnapping activities. The information reaching to me now is that 2 innocent civilians has been kidnapped from N9ja Obinetiti by the members of Ebubago. The Ebubago security of Hope Ozodema and the Igbo politicians. I want to let Biafrans to understand that they have commenced their kidnapping activities currently going on. And I want Biafrans all over, both home and abroad, to investigate the kidnapping activities in Obinetiti R&D Zog on the 7th of September 2025, as the information reaching to me, according to the video I'm about to show you. I don't want to talk much on that, but the information I want to tell you before showing you the video is that the unknown gunmen, according to the information, that unknown gunmen invaded N9ja Obinetiti in black Legarian. And after, during the investigation, that the men of defense forces found out that it was the members of Ebubago in R&D Zog, under the watch of Hope Ozodema and Mazi Sumes, Esekosman, and the R&D Zog politicians. So I want you to carry out this investigation for you to understand those who are responsible of the insecurity that is going on, that is unaliving the life of Biafrans on daily basis. Secondly, I want to use this medium to address Biafrans to disregard every information coming to you from Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, because she had no connection, she had no contacts, and she had no relationship with the men of the Biafra Defense Forces under the control of General Igwe Butozo. As the information reaching us is that Dr. Ngozi Orabueze is preparing herself in order to celebrate with the illegitimate president of Nigeria terrorist government over Mazi Simon Ekpa's 6 years imprisonment. And I want to let you, dear friends, to understand and disregard any information that is coming from her or her USB government. They are all trying to hijack the Biafran struggle. Finally, I want to let Biafrans to understand something about the Southeast politicians, what they are currently doing now. The information reaching to my notice is that the Nigerian politicians, especially the Southeast governors and the senators, are going to villages, recruiting Igbo youths to start killing Igbo youths. The Southeast governors, the Southeast politicians, the Igbo politicians, in collaboration with Nigerian terrorist army securities, are now recruiting local vigilantes, empowering them with arms in order to start killing their own people. So I want to bring to the notice of the international leaders for them to understand the current situation that is currently going on, that the Nigerian terrorist government is using their resources. They are using every means in order to make sure that they destroy Allah Igbo by recruiting Igbo youths into a Bubago terrorist group in order to use them to commit heinous crimes. And finally, I am here to address Biafrans for them to understand that the men of defense forces is not afraid. We are standing gallant, we are standing resolute, and we are standing strong. And I am appealing to Biafrans to support the Biafran defense forces in order to protect our motherland. God bless you as you share this information. Watch this video I'm about to show you and investigate it and know where the problems are coming from. Ebubago are the one responsible. Asari Dagobo are the one responsible for the inhumanity to human that is currently unaliving the life of Biafrans. Thank you for listening to this information.
Madam Ebolachi. Anụrụ m na enwe mmadụ abụọ kidnapped this side. Was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? So m na-ajụ ajụjụ ka mmata onye dị ihe ahụ kidnapped, matakwanụ otu o si mee. So unfortunately, people are direct them to your house. So now you will the person. No way back kidnapped the people because when you get caught around your social man.
By 12 o'clock, I am a Puchanola. The one about on the Morocco's around. We are able to call. We saw the mobile say Yababu as soon as Yabao say Yababu. But the Buena you a before you go and egg a cola before you buy. I said, the way you may not know Maziana, I'll call you Quaco. I said, it's also here, I say, a way Vinia, Uru handcuff for way and Miss Omaneka. And the help upon our water, hey, if you pay by a boss. I put a seal here, ọhịa ka ha si bịa kpọrọ ebe ahụ si ọhịa ana
na Sọnde ka ha mere
n'abalị Sọnde.
ndị bịakwanụ bịa eburu ha sikwana ha wee ele ndị ka ha kọwara gị enwe ihe jụrụ ha enwe ihe ha gwara gị
etu m si jụwa ha ka ihe ndị ahụ ma ndị nke ọzọ amaghị m ihe yi black and black were ihe kọvasịcha ibu mana onye nke mma bụ Uchenna mere ihu ya hụ wee korokoro ndị nke ọzọ amaghị m fesiri mana ha yikwata black and black.
Uchenna ma gịnị ka ọ na-arụ ọwa onye ele ebe
sekuriti panel
Uchenna na-arụ sekuriti n'ele ebe
n'elu ala.
biko madam ele ebe wu elu ala ma gwa m ebe wu elu ala
Enu ala bụ ochie ụlọ.
oke ha sị na ha wụ ndị sekuriti shi ochie ụlọ
Ochie ụlọ na enu ala.
enwe ihe ndị ọzọ ha were na be gị ewezụga di gị na nwanne ya nwoke ha kwuru
Enwe ihe ha were spika nwanne gị ruo MP nwa m nwoke ma MP Odogbuka ma nke Mmesoma ha were kpa bukọcha ihe ahụ niile nwa na ya
bukọcha ihe ndị niile
bukọcha jee na ka ndị pọsụ zinye pọsụ were 25,000 ndụ na ya.
oke ihe zụchaghị ohi kidnapụrụ di gị na ụmụ gị pụọ. Udo dịrị madam.